Okay, so today is Sunday, literally the day after the video is uploaded. Spider tunnel has not changed much, just have this closed for now because it's been windy. The spider web has sat outside a little bit and it looks pretty good now. Haven't changed much. I'm excited to see what it looks like at night. Some of the lights already on. Body bag is upside down now, and I'm not sure how I feel about that. I did not make that change because the head is, you can't even tell that the head's there. So it just looks like a bloody sack. And I don't know if I like it as much. But you probably saw this. The levitating Reaper is set up. I've had this guy for a while now. I just have not been able to set him up really since he just hasn't been working. He doesn't work at all. Literally said this is the 5th time setting him up. Haven't been able to make a video on him is what I meant. But yeah, so he'll just be ominously standing there, and from the sidewalk, which is, you know, where most people are gonna be, he looks awesome, super intimidating, and I think that if he lit up, he would be the highlight. We're just gonna probably put a strobe light on him since we got some pretty strong strobe lights. Sadly, he does not light up though, which is a little annoying, and I'm really not sure what to do about it. I'm hoping we can get him working before the season, or before Halloween. Stuff has fallen, and a lot of stuff has fallen. I had to reinforce this guy with extra. It's been super windy. You can probably hear the wind. But that's all for today. At least that's what we did. Those 2 changes right there. Okay, hasn't been many updates, but I do just feel like filming, so I'm gonna film a little bit. This guy is still not fixed. I'm gonna try to get him working by the time Halloween rolls around. I don't know how likely that is. Hopefully we can get him working because he would look really cool. All the other lights, everything else has lights. Literally everything is lit, and he would be the only thing that's in the dark, and I don't want him to be in the dark since he's a highlight piece. He's the biggest, coolest thing that I own, and if he lit up lots of colors, it would look absolutely awesome. But yeah, nothing new with him, sadly. Porch decorations, I don't know if I showed you guys them, but they're there. We got this cool bat there, Sally, and there's also Jack and some Reapers up there. Not much going on. These guys keep falling, but it's been extremely windy lately, so you know, not much point in just putting them back up every 5 minutes that I'm out here. Not a lot going on over here, so I'm probably going to set up soon Fear Valley Wolf. I don't know if I'm gonna put him inside the tunnel or out here on the lawn. Since there's 3 animatronics on this side, there's 2 animatronics on this side, and I guess the next clip will have Fear Valley Wolf in it. I lied to you. This episode is not gonna have Fear Valley Wolf in it. This is kind of just a half episode, I guess, episode 2.5. Since it's really just updates and stuff and smaller stuff, it's the only big thing that really happened is the Reaper was set up. The next episode will be finishing touches, which will include the Fear Valley Wolf. Okay, it won't be finishing touches, actually. We've got a lot to go. But, yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in episode 3.